First of all, IMTEX is happening almost after 4 years, so the response has been really very good. We have seen much more crowd, much more genuine visitors this time, after probably because this is one of the first major shows that is happening after COVID, and the response has been tremendous for Solidcam. Solidcam is currently into a completely different sphere, I would say, as far as our business goes. We have launched a few new products like Swiss type, Milton solutions. We are also entering into the phase of additive manufacturing. So we are now the global resellers for Desktop Metal. It's a US-based company, and we will be launching their products in India for metal 3D printing as well as polymer and elastomer printing machines in India. We are also coming up with a major technology center in Pune, where we are going to have CNC machines and additive manufacturing machines in the technology center. We just announced that in IMTEX.
How's the market for CAD/CAM in India currently?
The market for CAD/CAM currently in India is probably the best in the world. Elsewhere there are talks about slowdown, but I think in India currently the market is booming for manufacturing, and the moment the manufacturing booms, it's CAD/CAM also. So both are driven together. I mean, they go together.
So besides starting the manufacturing facility in Pune, what's the future plans for the company?
We are going to go in a very big way in additive manufacturing.
Okay.
So our plan is to have a few such technology centers across India, where we're going to have machines as well as additive manufacturing machines. And not only will we sell these machines and support them in India, we also will be offering services and consultancy on additive manufacturing and CNC manufacturing in India.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Thank you
talking
very
to
much.
us and have a nice day.
Thank you very much.